Hey, it's Isaiah Henry with First Position Real Estate, and sometimes people ask me why I get so excited about real estate investing. Let me show you why. Today, I wanted to talk about one of the most powerful concepts in real estate investing, which is leverage. If you're new to real estate investing or just looking to grow your wealth, then you need to understand the power that is leverage. So what is leverage and how does it work in real estate investing? Leverage is the ability to use a small amount of capital to control a large asset. In the context of real estate investing, this means you can purchase a property with as little as 20% down, while the bank will loan you the remaining 80%. Now I know what you must be thinking. Why would a bank loan you 80% of the cost of a property? The answer really is simple. Banks see real estate as a relatively safe investment, and they're willing to lend money to help you purchase property. And because you only need to put down 20% of the cost, you can leverage your capital and control a much larger asset. But wait, here's the best part. While you only need to put down 20% of the cost, you still profit from the entire property. So if you purchase a property at $100,000 and you put down $20,000, you still profit from the entire property. And if you're able to increase the value of that property through renovations or strategic improvements, you can realize even larger profits. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the power of leverage in real estate investing. But by using leverage, you can control much larger assets with a very small amount of capital, which can help you build wealth faster and more securely. So if you're interested in growing your wealth with real estate investing, then leverage is a concept that you simply can't ignore. By using leverage, you can purchase properties with a small amount of capital and profit from the entire property. And if you're able to find the right deals and make the right improvements, you too can realize huge returns on your investment. Leverage is one of the most powerful concepts in real estate investing, and it's something that everyone should understand. By using leverage, you can purchase a property with a little bit of capital and still profit from the entire property. So if you're interested in growing your wealth through real estate, then you gotta be sure to keep the concept of leverage in mind. If you would like to see more about what I'm doing in real estate investing and how I can help you get a solid return on your money, check out the Contact Us section of my website or book a call with me at the link below. With my no sweat investing program, your money is backed by a solid investment, real property. And you don't have any of the hassles because my team and I handle all the work. So go ahead, book a call with me today, and let's have that conversation to see if this might be a good fit for you. Isaiah Henry, First Position Real Estate. I'll see you all in the next video.